People keep asking me, what's the best way to earn by just clicking? And honestly, most options out there pay almost nothing. But there's one method that many people overlook, and that's called Timebucks Push Clicks. And you can technically win up to $10 from a single click if you are lucky. But no matter what, you will earn for every click. So today I'm going to test it, show you exactly how it works, and give you a realistic idea of what you can expect from it. In case you don't know, my name is Mikael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And getting paid to click is a very popular way to try to make money online. And today I will show you one of the best methods for this that I have come across. It's simple, it's quick, and compared to most click earning methods, it does have some potential. You still need to do it with the right expectations and be realistic. It's not a magical way to become rich or anything like that. But if you want to earn by clicking, this is one of the best options. So in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step, show you a real demo, explain how the rewards work, and talk about the realistic earnings so you know exactly what you are getting into before trying it. So there are a ton of different pay to click options out there, and I have tested hundreds of them. And as mentioned, most of them are not worth it. For most of them, you have to click 1,000 times to maybe earn $1 or something like this. So the best option that I have actually come across so far is inside a platform called Timebucks. This is a get paid to site where you can also earn in other ways. You can, for example, also earn by watching videos, taking paid surveys, playing games, and more. But this is not a full review of Timebucks. If you want that, I do have one on my website, also both a video and written and with payment proof and everything. I'll leave a link to that below so you can go and check out all the details. Because in this video here, I will focus on the feature they have that's called push clicks, as it is often overlooked, and it is actually one of the best options if you want to earn by clicking. Again, as mentioned, do it with the right expectations, but I will explain all that so you know exactly how it works. So I have now logged into Timebucks, and currently the push clicks can be found in the earnings section, and then they are called push clicks. And you can then see there is basically just a button, and all I need to do is then to click here, and then a new screen opens up, and that basically shows just some of their other earning methods. So it's not even a spammy ad or a risky link or anything like that. I just need to click here to verify. Apparently I wasn't fast enough there because I was just sitting here talking, but I was verifying there, and you can see then that's it. Now I have actually earned. And just to show you, you can then go to your completions in your profile there, and you can see clicks here approved. And in this case here, you can see I got $0.016 there. So on many PTC sites, I would have to click maybe 150 ads to earn this, but it's not every time you earn this. Sometimes you can actually earn even more, and even up to $10. But let's go over the earning potential here and how often you can also click, because there is a limit to that. So how it works is that in general, that you will just get paid to click on a link every 2 hours. So every 2 hours you can come in here and click, and you will just get that new screen opening up as I showed. But you can also skip the 2 hour wait, because if you complete a survey or an offer here, you will get a free push click and skip that wait. But just be aware, it's a maximum of 24 per day you can do no matter what. And the earnings are, in my opinion, quite generous compared to what you can usually get for clicking a link like that. For example, you can see you will actually get a bonus based on yesterday's earnings. So you can see the more you have earned the previous day, the more you will earn per click here. So if you have a day where you earned a lot, let's say you completed some kind of high paying offer or something like that, and some people, when they finish an offer like that in some countries, maybe that would even be $100 then or more. So, and then you can see, then you would get quite a lot per click. So if you have a really high paying day, then make sure to use as many clicks as you can the following day to maximize this. But if you did not earn anything yesterday, then you will still get a minimum of, you can see, $0.002 per click. This is of course quite low, but again, compared to most other PTC sites where you will get maybe 0.00001 or something like that, that's often the case, then this is still more. And at the same time, there is a chance, because it is a little bit like a lottery, you might actually win, you see, $1, $5, or $10. Of course, you have to be very lucky for that, but the chance is there. But no matter what, it actually pays more than basically any other PTC option that I have tested. But I just want to make it clear that if you only use this option on Timebucks, it's not really something that I recommend. It's only an extra method if you use Timebucks anyway. The great thing about Timebucks is that it has a lot of different earning methods. You can see here, small micro tasks, surveys, games, offer walls. You can earn by referring. They also have other ads you can click. And if you use some of these in combination with this here, then this can be an extra great bonus method, but you should also make sure to use some of the other methods, because just using this alone, you can see, then you will really not earn a lot. But no matter what, it actually pays more than most other PTC sites that I have checked, and it also has a low payout threshold, only $3. It pays out daily. You can get paid in crypto, PayPal Cash, bank transfer via Wise, and other great options. So for that reason, if you like to click, then this is an option worth considering. But if you want to know more about it, I'll leave a link below. You can go to the full review tutorial on my website there. You can go there and see everything, also see payment proof. And at the top there, there's also a joining link. You can click that and join if you're not yet a member. That also will support my channel, because that's my invitation link. So if you want to join it anyways, you will earn the same. It's just a way for me to also earn a little bit, so I can keep paying for creating all this content here, and I would definitely appreciate that support. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.